Hey man, Railroad 82 coming to you. The railroad archaeologist. You think the palm trees, you think paradise, but quite the opposite. It's actually a pond of death over here with the CSX Homestead Subdivision in this dire state. Look at this. There isn't even any room to toss Santeria around anymore. It's where we're coming to. So here you go with the emergency contact info. That's S-Line extension, Homestead extension, milepost 61.97. Safe Tran lights folded up, Safe Tran signal base. And then here is where the rails are. Holy shit, there's a decomposing something here. There you go. Oh, a dog. Or a wolf, or I don't know. I ain't gonna get close to it. But yeah, this is where the rails are. Or they actually are. Yeah, this is the Miami life over here with the Santeria. (248th Street). I'll include a Google Maps link to this place. But yeah, this is the rails here. Track view north. All you see is Louisiana sugarcane. And back here in this little corner would have been, there's a relay case back there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, the grade crossing needs to be improved. Whoa, all these sugar canes. So yeah, this reminds me of the movie. Oh, here you go, rail. This line was built in 1926 by Seaboard Air Line to promote tourism to this area. That was nearly 100 years ago. And this is the debate continues for the destiny of this line. It's so sad, really. I mean, there could be so much happening here, but because of politics and bureaucracy, greed. Oh, look at the mechanical bells. Don't see much of those anymore. They've probably been here for a good while too, judging by the amount of rust on them. All right, ladies and gents, leave me a thumbs up, comment. It always helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Remember, I drop videos on Sundays. Take care. Bye-bye.